Welcome to the Smart Manufacturing Research Laboratory at Brigham Young University. I'm Nathan.
And I'm Nathaniel.
And we are graduate students in the Manufacturing Engineering program.
And this is our Smart Factory demonstrator. This demonstrator is set up with full industrial equipment and software. We use it to test and evaluate smart manufacturing and implementation strategies, especially those related to predictive analytics.
We are currently doing predictive maintenance research. As this robot sorts dice in order of 1 through 6, it uses this extra holding tray as a buffer. On startup, the buffer is preloaded to contain 13 or 14 of each number dice. As the dice are randomized and sorted, the amount of each dice we have in the buffer fluctuates.
We have found that the pip dice we are using are not properly weighted. As a result, we will eventually run out of at least one die number in the buffer. This creates a condition where we have to rely on rolling the correct die number to complete a good tray, which can drop our yield significantly. Consequently, we classify running out of any die number a system failure.
Therefore, this system requires regular maintenance, where the buffer is reset to its starting condition. We are currently testing 3 different maintenance strategies.
First, reactive maintenance. We wait to perform maintenance at system failure. Second, preventative maintenance. We perform maintenance at a set interval. Lastly, predictive maintenance. We perform maintenance according to the results of the predictive model.
We are currently working on producing a publication which documents these tests and explores how using this particular data analytics solution could make Industry 4.0 predictive analytics more attainable.